ICSE Semester 2 Examination 2022 Specimen Question Paper Physics. The solution is as follows. Section A, Question 1, Part 1, Option B. Here option C is confusing and should not be given. Suggestion, replace it with only pendulum B will start vibrating or pendulum B will not vibrate at all. Part 2, option D. Part 3, option D. Part 4, option A. Part 5. North pole end of bar magnet is moved away from the coil, so it induces a south pole at the nearer end of the coil and a north pole at the farther end. South pole denotes current flowing in clockwise direction. Thus option C is correct. Part 6, option C. Part 7, option B. Part 8, option A. Part 9, option C. Part 10, option D. Section B, question 2, part 1A. Answer 4 ohms. B. Answer 0.6 amperes. Part 2A, 10 grams ice at 0 degrees centigrade. B. Ice absorbs latent heat to melt from ice to water, temperature remaining constant. 10 grams ice at 0 degrees centigrade will absorb M multiplied by L equal to 10 multiplied by 336 equal to 3360 joules to change to 10 grams of water at 0 degrees centigrade. Thus, without a rise in temperature, 3360 joules of heat is absorbed. So, ice absorbs more heat and therefore produces more cooling. Part 3A. A is North Pole, B is South Pole. B. Increasing the current by decreasing the resistance with the help of the rheostat and introducing a soft iron bar inside the core. C. Yes, an electromagnet will be created with North Pole and South Pole alternating continuously at the two ends, attracting the small iron pins towards itself. Question 3, Part 1A. Answer 4000 joules per kilogram per Kelvin. B. Answer 67,200 joules. Part 2A. The bulb will glow because the circuit gets completed when the switch K is on. B. No. C. The switch is on the neutral wire. Even when the switch is off, the other terminal of the bulb being connected to the mains live is at a high potential and can give a shock. Part 3A. Answer A. B. Answer A. C. Answer 5:2. D. Answer 0.39 joules per gram per degree centigrade. Question 4, Part 1A. Graph A in vacuum, graph B in a medium. B. In graph A, the amplitude is constant, showing that there is no loss of energy due to resistance offered to the motion of the particles. This is possible in a vacuum. In graph B, the amplitude decreases with time, showing that there is loss of energy due to resistance offered to the motion of particles. This is possible in a medium. Part 2A. First law. Whenever there is a change in the magnetic flux in a closed coil of wire, an electromotive force is induced in the coil. This EMF lasts only so long as the change is taking place. Second law. The magnitude of induced EMF in a closed coil of wire is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux in the coil. B. Answer AC generator. Part 3A. Alpha particle is 4 alpha 2. Atomic number equal to 82 minus 2 equal to 80. B. Mass number equal to 194 minus 4 equal to 190. Neutrons equal to mass number minus atomic number equal to 190 minus 80 equal to 110. C. 194 x 82 gives 190 y 80 plus 4 alpha 2. Question 5, Part 1A. Electric fuse. B. An alloy of lead and tin. C. Low melting point and high specific resistance or high resistivity. Part 2A. Pitch is the characteristic of sound by which a shrill note can be distinguished from a flat note. Pitch depends upon the frequency of the sound wave. The higher the frequency of a note, the higher its pitch. B. AB. C. Frequency or pitch of wire is proportional to 1 upon thickness or radius. Higher thickness or radius produces lower pitch and lower thickness or radius produces higher pitch. Part 3A. Internal combustion engines generate immense heat, due to which the engines get heated and need to be cooled to prevent damage resulting from overheating. Water has a high specific heat capacity, which means that it takes a large amount of heat energy for every degree rise in temperature. Water in the radiator absorbs plenty of heat energy from the heated engine, thereby producing a cooling effect without much rise in its own temperature. B. Answer: carbon 14 or 14C6 and beta radiation.